We'll start with the Android application. To take a picture, you press the Take Picture button. This will bring us to the next screen, and then we press the Take Picture button again. This allows us to take a photo, and we press the camera button at the bottom. Once this is taken, we can press OK, and it'll bring us back. We go back and press Select and Upload Picture. Then we put in a name that we would like to call the image, and then press the Pick Image button. And this will bring us to the images that we have taken. And then press Upload Picture to Database and File. And this will upload it to the server. You press the back button, and then you press the Download and View Picture button. Then you put in your file name that you just saved into the input field, and then you press Load Picture List Just Picture button. And this will load up all the images with this particular name. In the web version, we put in the same file name, and then we click Look Up Picture. Now this will have brought up the images as a scrolling menu, and you click the one that you want, and you do the same in the web version. Now the web version will start up a new page. The Android version will bring you to a screen that will bring us to the selected image. So now both pages, both applications, have the image ready to use. So we're going to write this could be blue, and then we click on the image somewhere, and then we've created our first annotation, and it shows up in both screens. Now we can draw a line, and that line will point to the spout. Android version, we'll call ourselves Fred, and we'll put an annotation in or it could be, what color could it be? Pink. Or this could be pink. That's what I'm going to write instead. And then we click onto the existing annotation, and then it adds the annotation underneath. So now we can see the annotation with Mike's comment and Fred's comment. Now we can move it around. And for the Android version, we can toggle through the different features by clicking on the button. And with the web version, we simply click the button. So you can choose annotation line, rectangle, oval, move or delete. We're going to add an annotation for Fred, and we're going to say we could make this taller, and we're going to toggle through so we have the annotation button, and we're going to put that at the top left hand corner, and now add a line. Now we're going to use a rectangle and then highlight the spot. So we're going to highlight the top of the teapot. So we've created a little bit of feedback about the image with two sets of annotations. Now for the web version, Mike is going to say sure, and make it green. And we've clicked under the annotation and if added them together. So now the top left hand corner we've got Fred's comment and Mike's comment. Now for the Android again, for Fred, we are going to use the oval feature, and we're going to highlight parts of the handle, and then we're going to make another annotation. And we're going to say, could this move down? And I've put it, and we're going to connect some lines to this comment. And now this image has a number of annotations attached to it, talking about the spout, about the top, and where the handles are. Now Fred's going to make another comment, and his annotation will be, this needs to be bigger. And we're going to click down at the bottom. And then we're going to point to the bottom of the teapot. And then highlight it with an oval. And we're going to move the annotation to more of the bottom left. And we've decided maybe we could delete that annotation, and we're going to put another one. So we're going to say this needs to be smaller, and then we're going to put a new one, and then we're going to move the annotation so it sits next to the line. And you can see on both screens, we change an element such as a line or an annotation or an oval. When we move it around, it updates on both. So we've decided to delete that comment and the line and the oval. So now we can scroll through the annotations. So we hover over, we move the annotation, and then we can scroll and see what the annotation actually said.